Hello everyone, I am Shalini Guliani from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. I am Assistant Professor BA JMC Department. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic data mining. Data mining is the process of sorting through large data sets to identify patterns and establish relationships to solve problems through data analysis. Data mining tools allow enterprises to predict future trends. The information collected may be used many different ways, such as for identifying current and future trends, creating social profiles, capturing consumer insights, or for creating a rich knowledge base from click user across the web. By analyzing the data in real time, social media data mining can also contribute to more sophisticated predictive modeling. Now, let's discuss use of social media data mining. In the 2016 US presidential election, more than 1 billion elections related tweets were posted on Twitter from the first presidential debate until the day before the election. Here it became the go-to place for conversation and reaction about breaking news and sharing opinions. Therefore, it is no surprise that social media data mining software is being applied in many areas. Companies, political parties, social and regional groups, and other exploit the conversations and comments shared on social network to gather information and intelligence to fuel research on markets, competitors, customers, competitors, and more. For data mining, it is very important to understand what is Google Analytics. What is Google Analytics and why it is a mission critical thing? Google Analytics is a free web analytics tool offered by Google to help you to analyze your website traffic. Even though web analytics sound like a very small area of your digital presence, the implications of Google Analytics are in fact huge. So, what kind of data are available on Google Analytics and what can you do with them? There are two types of data that you can collect in Google Analytics. One is user acquisition data, that is the data about your users before they visit your website. And number two is user behavior data about your users when they visit your website. And user acquisition data is before users visit your website, you can access data about your users demographics before they visit your websites, example their age, their gender, their interest. You can also get data about where they are coming from, whether that is Facebook, other websites, or Google search. I call this data as user acquisition data because they can help you figure out which user group and channels to target. Second is user behavior data. The second group of data are user behavior data which are collected during user session on your website. User behavior data include how long a user stayed on your website, what is their last and first page on your website, the most common pathway through which they go through the website. Here are some benefits of using Google Analytics. Number one is it is free. The amount of valuable information that you can get for free can help make important business decisions. Number two is gain a deeper understanding of your audience. You can analyze traffic across all audience segments that enable you to paint a clear picture of who your audience is, what their needs are, and what they look for on your website. Number three is acquire easy access to demographic and behavior data. Google Analytics allows you to look at specific demographic and behavior data that can be filtered: gender, location, device type, age, interest, categories, source, and more. This information helps better shape targeting the strategy across all tactics in marketing campaigns. Number fourth is expand review to page by page insight. Google Analytics, once integrated, connects to every page on a client's website. It provides access to an arsenal of advanced tools that help you to decipher and comprehend how all the pages on the website are working for or against business goals and key metrics. Number five is monitor engagement and session quality. Not only you can determine who is visiting the site from a specific location and device, but you can dig deeper into each individual website performance metric to ensure that you are driving high quality traffic to the website. For example, data could show that mobile drove the majority of sessions during a specific time period. However, it could also reveal that mobile sessions users were 20% less likely to buy than desktop users. Number 6 is compare site performance versus industry benchmarks. You can now enable your Google Analytics profile to include benchmarking in capabilities. This feature allows you to compare your metrics against aggregated industry averages. This helps to not only see how your business is going historically against itself, but also provide a meaningful context that help you to set a realistic goal for the future. According to Google, you can choose from over 1600 industry categories and then refine even further to specify geographic locations or traffic levels for your site. If you enable these features, it is important to note that your performance metrics will be shared and become part of the industry aggregated data. However, it is completely anonymous. This is all in data mining and Google Analytics. I hope you understand this lecture. That's all for today. Keep watching Technia TV.